So now we will be answering this. So I've just finished handbraking this packet tracer activity, the router and stick Inter-VLAN. Now we will be configure layer 3 switching and Inter-VLAN routing. Okay. Cisco packet tracer. This August 2. Let's work. So we just need to enter a name, Falculan, our email address, gmail.com. Okay. Yes, sir. Wow. Just want to have this cloud open. I will try to learn this, how to do this cloud Docker cluster. It's very nice to see. Okay. So we have the 0% completion, path tracer, layer 3, switching and Inter-VLAN routing. Okay, we also have the IPv6 address and then IPv4 address for our VLANs. MLS. Okay, multi-layer switch. So in multi-layer switch, we need to configure the VLANs and then also the interface. The interface, then the PC1. Okay. Also have PS3 here. So objectives, we have to configure layer 3 switching, configure Inter-VLAN routing, configure IPv6. So I'll just open my phone. We have the message. So objectives, we have the part 1, configure layer 3 switching, part 2 is configure Inter-VLAN routing, and part 3 is configure IPv6 Inter-VLAN routing. So I just got the message. It's a secret message. Okay. I just reply this. Wait. Later I will reply. Next is background scenario. So we have the multi-layer switch like the Cisco Catalyst 3650. It's capable of both layer 2 switching and layer 3 routing. So one of the advantages of using multi-layer switch is this dual functionality. So a benefit for a small to medium-sized company would be the ability to purchase a single multi-layer switch instead of separate switching and routing network devices. The capabilities of multi-layer switch include the ability to route from one VLAN to another using multi-switch SVIs, so as well as the ability to convert a layer 2 switch port to a layer 3 interface. Okay, so we are using the multi-layer switch, so it has the capabilities of routing and switching. So switching and routing. You can switch. Oh, okay. The switching is the layer 2 network. The routing is layer 2. So the instructions. So for the part 1 is you will configure the gigabit Ethernet 02 port on the switch MLS as a routed port and verify that you can ping another layer 2. So part 1 is configure layer 3 switching. I want to reply. In part 1, you will configure the gigabit Ethernet rate. Sending message. Later. In part 1, you will configure the gigabit Ethernet 02 and switch MLS. So as a routed port, verify that you can ping another layer 3 address. So we'll configure this as fast as we can. So and on MLS, configure GO2 as routed port and assign an IP address according to the routing table. Okay, so we have here the CLI enable config T interface. Okay, next is no switch port. Okay, so no switch port is also no shutdown. No switch port, okay. So we need to add this IP address here. Paste. Shutdown. It's the same. So verify connectivity to cloud by ping. Oh, wow! You can also ping on the MLS, on the multi-layer switch. Okay. Okay, we need to ping this one. Success rate is 100%. Okay. We can also ping from the multi-layer switch. So for the part 2 is configure inter-VLAN routing. Step 1 is add VLANs. So add VLANs to the multi-layer switch according to the table below. Path tracer scoring is case sensitive, so type the names exactly as shown. So we have here VLAN number 150. So we need to create 3 VLANs. Set the name staff. VLAN 20. We have name student. VLAN 30. We have name faculty. Step 2 is, let's check if I have the correct configuration. So step 2 is configure SVI on MLS. So configure the activate SVI interface for VLAN 10, 20, 30, and 99. We don't have the 99. Let's see. So the configuration for VLAN 10 is below as an example. Okay. Interface VLAN 10. So after we create the VLANs, we need to create a SVI interfaces for each VLANs. So, okay, interface VLAN 10. Just need to shutdown. Okay, so interface VLAN. So IP address, the subnet mask. Subnet mask is 200. Do we need to have the IPv6 configuration? Okay. Next is configure trunking on MLS. Trunk configuration difference slightly on layer 3 switch. On the layer 3 switch, the trunking interface need to be encapsulated with the .1q protocol. So however, it is not necessary to specify VLAN numbers as it is. Okay, I think we need also to configure the VLANs on the switches later. So on MLS, trigger G0/1, static port. We don't have the VLAN 99. Switch port, track encapsulation dot 1q. Okay. Configure trunking on S1. Configure the native VLAN on the trunk. We don't have the VLAN 9. Let's see. Let's fix it. Just need to add this. I need the VLAN 9. We just add the completion for 5%. Configure trunking on S1. So we have here interface. Interface. And trunk. Trunk native VLAN 99. S1 trunk. Create the no shut process. I think the no shutdown command is already configured. Next is enable routing, show IP route command. Show IP route. Okay. Show IP route. Default T2 is not set. IP route. Let's see. route. Okay, now we have output connected. Okay. So verify end-to-end connectivity. So from any device, ping this address inside. Just need to ping this. Okay, we are getting a reply. Okay, for the last step is configure IPv6 Inter-VLAN. So this is, I will just skip this because obviously it will route from any VLAN. So the layer 3 switch is now routing between VLANs and providing routed connectivity to the cloud. So part 3 is configure IPv6 inter-VLAN routing. Layer 3 switches also route between IPv6 networks. So enable IPv6 routing. So we will need this MLS again. So config T. But we have not yet configuring the switches. Okay. Config T. So IPv6 unicast routing. Configure ASCII for MLS interface VLAN 1. Just need to copy this. Okay, we already have the 87%. Okay. We need just to configure the GO2 IPv6. So paste. Then you just need to enter this IPv6 address. Okay, show IP route. Still we have the 95%. Let's check the check results. IP address for VLAN 20. I think I misconfigured it. Let's see. Interface VLAN 20. for bilang 20. 20. 20. Okay. So now we have here the 100% completion. So just skip some of the verification, but that's it.